Greetings everybody and welcome to our on-screen tutorial for this week. My name is Odette and I am the ready-made mentor for ready-made stores. Today I thought that we could chat about content repurposing and just how efficient it is to use within our online businesses. It certainly saves time and it saves on cost. So basically, it allows you to get the most out of your content marketing. With repurposing, a single brainstorm and development process can turn into several pieces of content. Reduce your content marketing costs and expand your audience reach with just a little bit of planning. So another point I wanted to make is that I go onto Pinterest to go and find some really nice mind maps, infographics, and visuals of all things to do with digital marketing, digital advertising, drop shipping, e-commerce, and so much more. I really urge all of you who are watching today to use Pinterest for visuals of these explanations and concepts within our industry, because it really does bring what could be a challenging topic to life, and it also simplifies it. So with content repurposing, it basically starts as an idea, your core idea, the basis of your brainstorming and research. And then it goes into an outline sort of space where your points and data are organized into a basic framework to be adapted into different media. And then from something simple like just a simple theme or idea about a certain package or niche little bundle of products that you have in your online shop, you could go and choose a specific theme of sorts. And from that, you could create an infographic to include key concepts and data presented as helpful visuals. You could create a blog post, an in-depth keyword optimized exploration of your topic. You could make a little slide share, a video, which you can then put onto YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram. You could create some sort of free guide, perhaps, if it's relevant to the theme of products. You could also put it into your email newsletter that you send out once a week or once a month. Careful not to spam your customers. A newsletter would summarize your content and drive the users to read more, drive them back to the site, drive them to the site with a coupon code to purchase the products. You could maybe make a free little guide of the products or the services that you offer. That guide you could then create within Instagram. A webinar could be something you could look at, but depends on your business. Some sort of ebook as well, which would have an in-depth look at the topic of your products and maybe the industry that they fall within, as well as a podcast, etc. So that just gives you a very broad idea of all the different channels that you could use to content repurpose just one theme of products with one idea. So it is far reaching, and I've also included another slide for us because we are focusing on e-commerce, and I want to share what we do on our side for repurposing within an e-commerce drop shipping platform environment. We obviously focus on email marketing. So all of the emails that we sent out last year or the year before, we love the format. We have it all set up already. So what we generally do is just change all of the data. We keep the whole structure and template there. We might spruce up the images, but we definitely check the prices. Apart from that, the email is pretty much ready to go, and it takes a matter of minutes to create it, and or should I say update it and send it off. Same thing with creatives. The creatives that we are using on Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, etc., Twitter that we used last year, we're just doing the same thing again this year. We're maybe freshening up the pictures or just even the color of the overlays on the creatives. Definitely checking prices. That's a biggie. Then we use a lot of blogs from last year and the year before. We have about 250 blogs, and I'm most certainly not going to be buying any more. So what we tend to do is use the blogs from last year and repurpose them for this year. Again, checking prices, checking that the links are still relevant, and obviously just freshening up the blog text, just shuffling it up a bit, changing the header image, etc. In terms of user-generated content, which we have discussed in previous on-screen tutorials, those are the pictures that we have permission for, applied, where we actually went to the customer and asked for the pictures. They've given us permission, and those we use as well. Every week, we will upload the images, or maybe we can recycle them into a reel, etc. So that is a nice way of using pictures and data from customers, but not actually having to pay for it. And we just keep reusing it all the time. And you can even mix and match as a collage the images from customers. So there's so many different ways that you can recycle what they are sending to you. Videos, that is one thing that we definitely have done professionally every month. And then what you could do at the end of the year, like we've done, is we've then asked the videographer to create a nice promo video of the year, which we then put into a Google Ads video campaign. Or maybe you can pick out certain things. For us, it's experiences. So we maybe have a motorsport video, a water video, an adventure video, a proposal video, and that would include slices and edits from the other videos that he has done for us. Banners on the home page, it's very easy to get those content repurposed. Use everything that you used last year, the year before, check it, spruce it up, or just use exactly the same banners. Again, you don't have to go to a graphic designer at some fancy design studio to get that all redone for you. You can use Canva or just use the banners that you've used last year. And again, here we have a quick mention of product pictures, just all of the product pictures, user-generated content. You can recycle that into TikToks, Reels, YouTube Shorts, etc. So it really is quite powerful, very, very cost-saving and time-saving. So go away and have a look at what you have in your archives, what you have spent money on already, and see if perhaps you don't need to spend any more. You can just recycle it into your content management strategy for this year and beyond. Thank you very much for joining me today. I hope it was helpful, and I look forward to chatting to you again sometime in the very near future. Take care. Bye-bye.